Hey, lovely people, welcome back to Unica's Diaries. So, a little bit of background into my natural hair journey. The picture on the left was me on the 31st of October 2020, some 3 years and 1 or 2 months ago. I decided to cut my hair and start all over. And the picture on the right was on the 21st of July 2021. Some few months after, my hair was growing, but not exponentially. Thereafter, I discovered the DIY mask I'll be showing you in this video, and my hair has been growing exponentially. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the game changing DIY hair mask. So you just need 4 items for this hair mask. The first one is avocado, one banana. I mean 1 to 1. I do 1 to 1. If you want to do more, you can do two avocado to two banana. I'm also using my olive oil and air conditioner. I typically pick up any air conditioner I find to be cheap in the grocery store, and I think anyone will work. Now I'm going to start off by peeling my banana. If you've got shorter hair, you can do half of one banana and half of one avocado. Now, so I'm going to peel off my banana and I'm going to cut into smaller pieces and I'm going to put into my blender. Setting that aside, I'm going to go ahead and cut my avocado into two from the middle. I'll use a spoon to scoop the avocado out of the cover or the skin and then put into my blender with my banana. I'm just going to break the avocado into smaller bits using my spoon to make it easier for me to blend without having to use so much water. To prevent my hair from being too greasy, I usually don't use more than 2 spoonfuls of my olive oil. This should be is it teaspoon or tablespoon? I think tablespoon. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. I'm not even finishing what I have in this container, just a little bit to make it easy for my blender to blend together. I'll go ahead to blend this into a puree. I would stop and remove at a point and shake it together and then put it back to achieve a perfect blend and be sure that all parts of the puree is well blended together. Next up, I'm going to take a small bowl and then my a wig cap or a muslin cloth that would allow the mixture to pass through. So I'm going to cover my bowl with that and I'm going to go ahead and pour in my avocado banana puree mixture. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. It will help my channel to grow and encourage me to do more. Thank you. I'm doing this to remove any particles that I wouldn't want to remain in my hair. Thereafter, I'm going to add my conditioner, hair conditioner. The trick here is to add it and to make the consistency not too thick or not too watery. So you may add a bit, add a little bit, mix together, see if it's what you would like, and then add more or just leave it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this in together. The mixture alone without the conditioner too may work, but the conditioner makes it much easier to come off your hair because of course it has soap base already. So I find this very convenient to use. I think it's fine at this point, but I'll just add a little more hair conditioner to make it a bit more loose or watery, just a little bit more, but this is also perfect. Now this is the consistency I was aiming for, and I'm quite pleased with this consistency, so I'm going to go with this. Coming up next on this channel will be a detailed video of how I apply this mask and what I do thereafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Till next time, it's Yimika signing out from Yimika Diaries. Lots of love from here.